For the unit 1, kailan pa unit 2. Kasi unit 1, may kuto. I will read the content of the certificate and then pag-uman, tagsa naman yung tawag ani. Okay, so certificate of achievement is awarded to Heidi L. Abaniel for having complied with all the requirements of the core unit of competency. Research information relevant to the locality and tour itinerary, impartial fulfillment of the credential course on research information and guide clients in local tours, leading to local guiding services NC2. Awarded this fourth day, advance guys, DJ matabang ma'am, very advanced yun sila. Awarded this 5th day of August 2026 in the municipality of Albuquerque, province of Bohol. Signed, Alison Sara Di Malayo, yours truly, your trainer. And together with me is our lead trainer, Sir Danny. And of course, our tourism officer, Nina. Okay. So, Heidi Abaniel.
Pasok ka sa next round.
And Mr. Amon Ray Luquere. Sobra pa rin sa Valedictorian. Congrats. Wow. Okay. Miss Rowena Mahinay. Miss Melinda Mercado. Congratulations.
One down.
One down. Akila.
Daghan na kay pilian.
Every day. Every class. Lain-lain huwag ka ng always. So tomorrow we'll start our certificate.
So complete. All right. Thank you.
Pindan ako ang certificate.